we are going to chat about nail polish today. Gel nail polish, vegan, cruelty-free, nine-free gel nail polish. I'm gonna do a whole demo. I'm gonna do a whole review. You're gonna see all the things. Before we do that, you know the deal. Hit the subscribe button, that little bell next to it for notifications. That way you don't ever miss an upload. Hit the thumbs up for like a like, because you're gonna like this video. So just do it now. You can do it later, but you should just do it now. And also, I forgot to say hi for those of you that are new. Hi, my name's Mary. I'm a Midwestie mom and I love to post all sorts of beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. I'm also in my 40s. I don't know if that matters or not. But anyways, we're gonna talk about nail polish today. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love to have my nails done. Love it, love it, love it. I feel like I'm just polished and more put together. However, I'm pretty rough on my hands. I think a lot of people are, and I don't have time to go to the salon. I prefer to do my nails at home, whether I'm doing a regular, nail polish or if I'm doing gel. I love doing gel because it lasts longer. I also have very brittle and rigid nails, and I feel like when I use the gel, it kind of smooths everything out. It gives it like a nice puffed up smooth finish, if you know what I mean. And also it helps my nails grow longer because otherwise they chip because they're brittle. So I really do love to use gel nail polish. However, it can be a little bit hard on your nails, both the application and the removal process, particularly if you've got sensitive skin or if you're just a little bit more sensitive to chemicals and such, or if you just are like, I don't want to use those chemicals. I got a solution for you. So there's this company called Nail Addict. They reached out and they said, hey, we'd love to send you some products. Would you be interested in doing a review? And I was like, okay, let's give it a try. So here are some of the polishes that they sent. In the review, or in like the demo, you'll see me use this one. This is called Bliss Pink. The one that I have on right now is, what is this called? Hard to Get. It's a nice color. I was just feeling it, feeling some red. But in the video, you'll see the hot pink. But here's the thing about Nail Addict. So it is a gel nail polish, and it is vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's nine-free, which means it doesn't have some of those really nasty chemicals in it that a lot of like your typical nail polishes do have. But the amazing thing about gel nail polish that I feel like stands it apart from some of the other types of products out there is that it lasts really, really long. With other polishes that I've used, and I've used tons of things like Sensation Nail, OPI, you name it, whatever, they last at least 2 weeks, sometimes longer. So I really wanted to put this stuff to the test. Sometimes, when formulations change up a little bit, the product can perform a little bit differently. Maybe the application's a little bit different. Maybe it does or doesn't wear as long, or it wears differently. And so I really wanted to give this stuff a try and give you a very true and honest review on how it applies, how it holds up over time, and the removal process as well. But before we even get into that, just going to the Nail Addict website, I was insanely impressed with, like, this is just a small spattering of the nail polishes that I have here. If you go to their website, they've got a ton, like a bazillion. They also come out with like special collections for the seasons. They have a neon line that I was like, that looks really fun. They also have glitters and shimmers, all sorts of different types of nail polishes. So there is something for everyone. The other thing is they have everything that you could possibly need to do your gel nail application there. So they've got the base coats, the top coats. They also have a matte top coat, which I was like, that's interesting. I've never seen that for a gel polish. They have a remover that you can use. They also have this other thing, which I tried, and it's part of the demo. I was insanely interested in it. Not that one. This one. It is called the Peel Off. So this is exactly what it sounds like. It's a peel off base coat. And I thought this was uniquely different. I have not seen this on the market for other gel nail polishes. Even when I go to Sally's or other beauty supply shops, they've got the polishes and they've got base coats, top coats, but not a peel off base coat. And if you struggle with putting your nails in the acetone or with the cotton balls on your fingertips with the acetone for the removal process, this is a product that you might want to look into. Spoiler alert, I really liked it. I will continue to purchase this for sure. They also have the lamps, the curing lamps, available online as well. So if you don't have one, they have them. However, if you already have one like I did, you can certainly use that. It works with these polishes, which is an A+ in my opinion. I almost forgot to mention, I have a code for you. So if you purchase 2 or more nail polishes, you can get 50% off. My code is MaryZ. I will put it below, as well as a link to the website so you know exactly where to go. All right, you ready for it? Let's get into the demo and the wear test. Preparation for this nail polish application is the exact same as if you were doing other gels, or even if you were just doing normal nail polish. You want to start with really clean nails and file in one direction to get everything nice and even and smoothed out, and then use some cuticle remover. I find that using cuticle remover really gives your nails that salon finished look. It's a small detail, but it is noticeable. Then you're going to buff the nail bed just a little bit. It really does help with the adhesion of the polishes. And then I like to use some alcohol or some nail polish remover just to remove any sort of debris that was left over. It gives you a really nice clean surface. And then next up, you're going to go in with your base coat of polish. You'll want to be sure that with every coat of polish that you do, that you make sure that you're getting that edge, that cap of the nail. On the final 2 nails, I switched up my base coat to that peel-off version. I'm super curious to see how that formulation is going to work. Take your time and really strive for a nice, even coat of polish. Then you will be using your lamp to cure it for 30 seconds. Next up, you go in with your color of choice. Here's that lovely hot pink color. As always, be sure to be very careful around the cuticle area and do your best to avoid any sort of overage that could happen there. If it does happen, it's no big deal. Just come in with an orange stick or a small piece of cotton and make sure to clean it up before curing the nail polish. Again, make sure you cap the edge of the nail with the polish itself. It makes for a really good, long-lasting finish on the nail polish. Clean up any edges where necessary. And then again, use your lamp to set for 30 seconds. Now this is what one coat looks like, and I think it's got a really great opacity to it. Even when using the lighter colors in this particular Nail Addict line, I've noticed that the nail polish itself is pretty opaque, which is great. That way you're only applying 2 coats of colored polish instead of a lot more to build up to the color that you want. With that second coat, again, take your time, avoid the nail bed area, and make sure to cap the nail. For this coat, you'll also set it for 30 seconds in the lamp. And then you come in with your top coat. Same thing, be careful around the nail bed, cap the nail, aim for a really nice, smooth, even finish, and then set in the lamp for 30 seconds. The final step is just using a bit of rubbing alcohol and wiping it over the top of each nail. It removes some of that sticky residue that can be there. And that's it, you're done. The nails look amazing, they feel amazing, and the nice thing about gel nails is once you cure them, they're set. There is no long dry time. We are on day 2 with these nails, and I have to say, like, no, let me see if I can focus here. No chips, cracks, smudges, nothing. Like, they look really good. They're still in top-notch condition. I did spend a lot of time doing dishes yesterday. I took a long bath. We're talking like an hour long, so I was like soaking for a long time. So they really stood up so far. Tonight I have horseback riding, which will be another test for them to see if they hold up through that, through the grooming, through the riding, through all the things, the barn chores. And yeah, we'll see what happens, and I will check back in with you tomorrow. Day 4. of the nails and they still look amazing. Not a chip in them. A real quick update for you. So I'm like 7 days in, almost a week, like almost, like give or take a few hours. And like, look at it. It looks great. I'm gonna zoom in. I have to say, like, it looks really, like there is not a chip, a scratch, or anything on it. And when I've used other nail polishes, like my regular, not other nail polish, my other regular gel polishes, they often do chip, like just a week in. So I'm really impressed with this stuff. I will say I'm noticing that like the cap, you know, where like you put the cap with the polish on, that part has worn off. But it's also probably a little bit my fault because I do tend to like nervously or like during meetings at work, like I'll kind of like pick underneath there and kind of just, you know, like work under the little cap of the nail and kind of like pick off excess nail polish. But the interesting thing is that like even though I did that, like it did not impact at all the way that the polish is sitting on the nail itself. So really like just the cap is kind of gone. Partially probably just from wear, but also because I like to pick it. But like the nails look amazing. Like it looks good. It looks real good. After a couple weeks of wear, you can tell that the nails are growing out and I was ready to change it up. Now sometimes when my nails get a little bit too long, it can be harder for me to type at work, so I will trim them down. Just a way to buy yourself another day or two without actually having to change out your nails. But then I was ready. So as usual, you want to buff that top coat. And then we will go in with cotton balls that are soaked in acetone. And I've got these cute little fun clips that help hold the cotton balls in place. First, I wanted to see how that peel off coat actually works though. And I was so impressed that it actually did peel off. And it didn't peel off before I actually made it peel off. So I started picking at it. So I will definitely be ordering that product again. Typical soak time is the same as with regular gel nails, about 10 minutes. All right, what did you think? What did you think? Like, I genuinely would love to know what you thought of the demo and the wear test, and if you think it's gonna work for you, or if you've used this brand, this Nail Addict brand of nail polish yourself. Have you had similar experiences? Like, I have to say, I was blown away. Like, I was impressed. I like this stuff better than the other polishes that I've been using. So I am a believer for sure. Like, I'm gonna use my own code is what I'm saying. But anyways, I 10 out of 10 would recommend this product. Again, it is Nail Addict. It is vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free gel nail polish. Go to their website. I'll put a link below. If you order 2 or more nail polishes, you can use my code MaryZ for 50% off. So save yourself some money. I really hope that you liked this nail polish review. Again, subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications, all the things. And until next time, see ya.